Okay, fall is here, and it's time to get this Scout 80 in the garage. Yeah, it's gonna be a handful. Frame rails are solid, extremely. I've had it in the air, I've looked under it. I think you can purchase all the body parts for it. This will be the first walk around. Technically the second one. I kind of did a walk around when I bought it. But now that it's cleaned out and sitting on the lift, I'm going to take the top off, I'm going to take the doors off, I'm going to take the fenders off, then we're going to get at them floor pans over this winter. It's got moss growing on it. I already got the front bolts out of the roof. Somebody's did a backyard restore on it years and years and years ago. They tried pop riveting all the metal pieces in, and they didn't cut out any of the old metal, so it just kept rusting through the new metal they put in. The floor in the back is actually a piece of sheet metal, also pop riveted in. The floor underneath is basically gone. The guy said he had it running years ago. I don't know if it runs or not. If it doesn't run, we'll figure out something for it. But it's got the Dana 44 in the rear, 456 gears, lockers already in from the factory. Never had one with factory lockers. I think that's an original rear bumper, but I don't know a whole lot of about these Scout 80s. A lot of work to do, but the metal's thick enough to manipulate and weld, and these panels that you can buy. I don't think those side markers are original. I'm going to do some more research on it. And I don't even know if those front turn signals are original. The front bumper looks correct. I had a snowplow on it, I already removed that. Gotta get the rest of the brackets off. But this is the starting point. This will be the video that starts it all. The doors have to come off, the roof has to come off, the windshield has to come off, and fix those floor pans. I believe I fixed those floor pans while the body's still on the frame, and then take the body off. But this is a long-term project. It's not going to be done in one winter. But since Michigan really kind of sucks for off-roading in the winter and snowmobilers take over everything, this gives me time to tinker in the garage and not get the blues of winter. So far, I'm thinking of just restoring it back to a driver. If that takes putting a different engine in it, so be it. We'll see. I need lots of parts. If you know anybody with Scout parts, you could use a window crank and door. I know it's all fixable, but it all takes time. technically probably not in as bad a shape as the Cherokee edges did, being the Cherokee was unibody. It's out of the garage now, it's painted, and it's sitting out back for this winter. Until I get time to throw a gas tank under it and fuel lines. But I want to get this one to a running stage this winter so it can go in and out of the garage on its own power with floor pans in it. So, goals. And now it needs inner and outer rockers, it needs a rear floor, it needs floor pans. It needs one front fender. I can manipulate the other one. These inner and outer rockers. Needs a rear leaf spring. It's got a broken leaf, main leaf in the rear. I don't think that, there's no way that tire carrier is original. So it's gonna go. It's technically holding up the bumper. That bumper's gonna go to, if it's not original. Great. Could use a few parts. I don't know what to do about these window seals yet. I've never had window seals go so bad before. Never seen window seals so bad. All destroyed. The lighting in this video kind of sucks, even though it's not that bad out. For being November in Michigan, this is a really nice day. So I'm going to try to get some work done. Okay, that took entirely more work than I was thinking it should, but the top is off. And before it can go in the garage for the winter to get the floors installed, I need to get under it, remove the inspection plate off the transmission. I hear there's acorns in there or something rattling around, and while it's on the lift I might as well do that, so that'll take me a little bit of time. And I think there was something else under there I wanted to do, but then by next weekend it'll be in the garage getting the rest of the way deconstructed for floors. I really like it with the top off. I don't even know if I'll ever put it back on. But that's the way it's going to be for now. And like I said, anybody have any lines on Scout parts? It's a 63 Scout 80, and there's a few things I'm going to need, so let me know. And that'll conclude this video of the little Scout.